Hi everyone, let's get lost in this review of the WildTop's truck cap. If you're gonna camp, haul, or flex your truck's utility, might as well do it with a splash of style and a touch of canvas. Magnets hold the straps up and allow you to have a nice safari look. If you don't want the sides zipped up, if you have something sticking out of the side of the truck, this will be an easy way to still transport the stuff even though you have a truck cap on. The truck cap has two windows, the front and the back, so that way it does not impede your vision as you're riding down the road or off-road or on the trail. Need gear in a hurry? The panels zip up and you're able to get whatever is in the back of your truck out. This canvas doesn't leak. Keeps all your gear bone dry, even in monsoon style rain. Need to haul something on top? It comes with roof rack that supports weight of 770 pounds. You could haul a rooftop tent on here, no problem. The installation is super easy. With the weight that comes from having a hardtop, you sacrifice gas mileage. With a soft top like this, you can barely see any gas mileage reduction. The only downside that I noticed with this truck top is when the tailgate's down and you go to put it back up, you have to move the little side flaps before you can get the tailgate to close. Thanks for trusting me with this review of the WildTop truck cap. Now get lost off-road.